Hello dear students, welcome to CR's digital classes. Today's topic is azocoupling reaction. Azocoupling reaction is a special reaction which takes place between aromatic compounds and azo compounds. Azo compound will get into the reaction in detail. So the reaction between phenols and any other activated aromatic compounds and diazonium salts is called as azocoupling reaction. Now, in the azocoupling reaction, the final product will be two aryl groups or two aromatic rings which are coupled with azo group. Azo group is nitrogen, which is two nitrogens which are triple bonded. So this group is called as azo group. Now, the activated aromatic compounds are required for this reaction because phenols like phenols and anilines are activated because they react, the reaction rate is high for these two compounds. There are other compounds also, other aromatic compounds which are active. So here this occurs only in aromatic rings, especially the compounds with aniline, NH2 group or OH group present on them. So the product formed is azodie, is also called as azodie, which is highly useful in commercial scale. So to understand the reaction deeply, we need to know about diazonium salts first. What are diazonium salts? These are special compounds, organic compounds. They contain triple bonded nitrogens, two nitrogens, and these are attached to any benzene rings, any kind of benzene rings. Like they may be aniline, phenol, or any other. Now the general formula of diazonium salt is this one. And this X minus here, R is a aryl group like benzene, aniline, toluene, like that, whereas X indicates organic or inorganic anions. Now organic anions like COO minus or inorganic anions like chlorine, bromide, BF4, boron tetrafluoride. So these are inorganic anions. Now these compounds are highly useful as they are used in synthesis of various organic compounds. There are variety of organic compounds which can be formed from diazonium salts. Now there are some examples given here. Now this one, the first one is benzene diazonium chloride, also called as BDC, nicknamed as BDC. And this one is paratoluene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. And this one is paranitrobenzene diazonium chloride. Now all these are activated rings here, here and here. In the second and third examples, the benzene ring, the aromatic ring is activated due to the presence of other groups like NO2 here and methyl group here. So these are the examples of azo compounds or diazonium salts. Now the reaction, if we see, it is represented like this. The reaction is represented like this. Here we have shown the reaction between benzene diazonium chloride and phenol. The general reaction, the compound formed here is, this is benzene diazonium chloride, here it is phenol, and this one is parahydroxyazobenzene. Now the mechanism of this reaction, we get the first phenol undergoes this reaction in the presence of a base. If we take aniline, then we have to take the catalyst as the reagent as acid. So anilines react in presence of acids and phenols react in presence of bases. So here the phenol in the presence of base gets converted into phenoxide ion. Now this is a phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion then undergoes delocalization within the molecule. That means the negative charge present on the oxygen will be converted to double bond here, delocalized double bond, and this double bond is shared with the azobenzene in BDC. So then next, after this, there is a double bond here, and the triple bond between two nitrogens in BDC will be converted, will be shifted to the nitrogen with positive charge here. Then we get this intermediate, and this on further delocalization here we will get the compound para-hydroxy azobenzene. This is azo coupling reaction. Thank you.